go again, Monday 6 a.m. Just waiting for Mandela to join us, and here we are trading futures again with gold. For myself, we can see the sell signal come in, but if you look at the other chart on the H1, you can see that we're in a strong uptrend, so I wouldn't be taking that sell. Potentially, if anything, within the next hour, I'm actually going to be looking for buys in the market, so potentially we're looking at the next buy when it comes in. So yeah, just gonna wait. We're gonna wait for a buy signal, and then hopefully Mandela joins us. A quick explanation about Friday. Those who are watching, thanks for joining. Good morning, Mandela. Nice of you to join us, and nice to know that the cup of tea is working. Oh
my God.
Welcome. Good morning. Hasn't kicked in yet. Hey Mandela, you okay? Can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you now. Are you hear me at all?
Yeah, your mic's a bit low. Yes, Mandela, what we're doing is just look at the H1 chart. Gold's in a nice upward trend. I've marked in on the screen to see here the Asian session. Okay, but if you're looking at a trading chart, there was a sell signal. If you look here, you can see we're in a strong upward trend. So the trend's your friend. So I'm not looking to take sells this morning. I'm looking for buys. So I'm looking to buy in around any of these pullbacks here. So So that's the plan of attack for today. And like we said all week, is here we go with fishing. We gotta let the fish come to us, or we gotta let the price come to us. So we can see here the supply level, but the price momentum that we got to expect us to break through this. And yeah, you can see that nice high of 261.6 earlier on. And yeah, I'm expecting this trend to continue until the London Open.
Hey Andrew, are you able to hear me now at all?
Yeah, it's better. Morning, welcome back.
Good morning, thank you. I think it's one of those mornings. Definitely one of those mornings. All right, so can you give me a rundown? What's the setup for today?
Yes, for today, yes, look at the chart here. We're in a strong uptrend on gold during the Asian session.
Yeah.
So I'm not looking to sell it. The sell signal coming, that would have been a false signal, especially where the price is moving. We can see we've had a pullback here or a retest, and I'm expecting the price to go up again, especially before the London session. When we get the London Open, could give the price a push down. Seem to hit a spike or a top at 261.6. But at the moment, I'm not really looking at the sells. So yeah, I'm looking for a buy signal if it comes in for the futures. And if I just take this to the H1.
Very nice.
Sorry, yes, we can see now there's been a strong push upwards.
Yep.
So I'm not really looking at sells at the moment.
Okay, I see. So you're going with the trend here today.
Yeah, we can go with the trend today, especially after Friday. So after that team talk of rules and discipline, for high my own supply, didn't follow my rules, and actually messed up the first 50k account. So we're back to square one. Yes, we're back to 50k. Like I say, I've taken the emotion out of it. Like I said on Friday, if I win a trade, lose a trade, doesn't really mean anything to me. But when I don't follow my own rules, there's a bit of frustration there. But serves my right. I'm trying to be clever, trying to trade on red impact day, red impact news day, and cost me a profit. But I'm not too disappointed. It's a challenge account at the end of the day. At the moment, they're on sale for top set for $49, and ultimately it's demo account is demo money, right? Demo profit. So if that was a real account, I would have been kicking myself. But if it's a real account, I'd be taking half the risk. So yeah, not too disappointed, to be honest.
Yeah, it's
I
not
just want to
bad.
say today's show is powered by Doorstep Coffee Company here in Darcy, and just had double espresso, and it's pretty good. So yeah,
Brilliant.
well done to them guys.
Very nice. Yeah, big shout out to them. Great to have them on board. Um, yeah, that's great.
Yeah,
This is
so
perfect time for an espresso.
yeah, give these guys give them a trial for the week, and I'm full for supporting local startup and new businesses. You know, it's so easy for you to go to your supermarket, but yeah, I'm a firm believer in supporting your community and getting behind them.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, I've marked in that Asian session, Mandela. I don't know if you want to compare that to your charts. Obviously, there will be a price difference between futures and forex, but it's looking pretty solid to me where it is for the breakout.
Yeah, let me have a look as well. So I see that there was a bit of a spike as well. Let me see if I haven't actually gotten a chance to mark up the charts yet, but this is as good of a time as ever.
Yeah, just looking here, I have this directional indicator. It's pretty reliable on M30, H1 and H4. M5 and M15 do fluctuate on the price, but at the moment, you know, everything's indicating that we are in an upwards trend as well. And you can just see that by looking at the chart, right? So we just pull the chart up here. Yeah, we can just see, you know, upward movement, pullback, strong move up. And yeah, potentially now we could be going into another pullback on the chart.
Yeah, I see that. I can see that. What's the what is the light red zone?
So that's the Asian trading session.
Got you. Okay, good.
I'll ping that over to you later if you want it.
Okay. And then what's the red horizontal line?
This? Sorry.
Yeah.
So
the
here?
one on the right chart.
This one here?
On
this here?
On the right side.
Sorry, on the right, the red area?
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one.
Yeah,
and
that's the Asian
bottom one.
Session.
Okay. Gotcha.
So yeah, that started at 11 and finishes at 6 a.m.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. So from that, then that's where I'm setting the box or the breakout. Yeah, from the Asian high to the Asian low.
I got you. Yes, sir. I think
strong yellow line here. It's also that VWAP I was talking about last week.
Yes.
So I'm just doing some trials with that at the moment on a demo account, practice account. But I'll show you now something that happened on the weekend, or on Friday actually. So on a demo account, I took this trade here. We broke through the VWAP, or we retested it. We got a long here. And I actually took this trade on the demo account, and it didn't go into any drawdown. And I actually took profit around here. It's good for about, let me think, was it 10,000 points or 1,000 pip movement? Yeah, so I took that trade. So watching this quite keenly. I wouldn't trade it on a live account. No, I won't be strategy hopping, definitely not. But it's just something I'm interested in at the moment. It's been watching loads of videos over the weekend. Found myself a good book on Amazon, and yeah, I'm going to be studying what VWAP is and how it works.
Yeah, I think VWAP is used by a lot of short-term traders, near-term traders, to keep them on the right side of the trend.
Yeah, it does. It looks quite powerful as well. What I might do is just incorporate the VWAP with with this strategy here. So if I get a signal here, and we play around with this area here, it might be like double confirmation for that trade.
Yeah. No, that's
but at
good.
the moment, it's just a trial. It's also any trades I trade on VWAP, I'll be using demo account.
Yeah. I think it's great that you mentioned the use of the demo account as well to kind of fine-tune, back-test or forward test, as some people call it. The other thing is with the top step, you're limiting your loss. It's almost like you've put a stop loss on it. I met with someone yesterday who at the beginning of the summer, they were keen to kind of learn more about trading. And yesterday I saw this person. I won't say any names, or I won't give their identity away. But he just looked very upset, and he said that he lost £10,000 of his own money trading. Kind of just, I believe what he was doing was he was trying to follow somebody else's strategy.
Yeah, you've got to find your own strategy, because what works, because it all depends on who you are as a trader, right? So like you and I trade different, but people, we're all individual, we're all different, and you've got to do what works for you. So what might works for A might not work for B. You might not have the patience, might not have the mental discipline to do it. So yeah, you've got to find a strategy that works for you. You need to back test it and then stick to it, right?
Yeah, that's it. And that's what you're doing. That's exactly what you're doing.
I'm with trading as well. There's no magic beans, right? So you've got to keep developing, you've got to keep learning, you've got to keep looking at the market, the movement, because there will come a time when the strategy I'm using here, it'll be obsolete, it won't work, and then you need to go to plan B. So you need to have some trading tools in your arsenal. Talking of arsenal, nice segue. Good win yesterday, well done.
Thank you. I think there are a few people who are Arsenal fans that listen to our show, Andrew. So I was actually at a 8-year-old birthday party, and one of the guys there had an Arsenal t-shirt on, and he was giving me regular updates. He let me know when the goal was scored, and he kind of gave me a little nudge when full time happened. So maybe I need to go to more birthday parties while Arsenal's playing.
Yeah, I think so.
That's the problem.
For myself, if United can't do the title and we're nowhere near it this year, I'd rather Arsenal do it. I think we play better style of football than City. As dominant as City they are. I don't like the style of football they play in. I think with Haaland they got a cheat code. It's like they play in FIFA on easy mode at the moment. So I'm hoping Arsenal can push them again this year.
Oh, I think you guys, I don't want to neglect the fact that United did very well this weekend. First game of the weekend, I believe it was. And
they done all right. They played on park for 20 minutes, but they got themselves together after that. So yes, I was happy. A win is a win, right? It doesn't matter who you play. Away from home. Next week's a tough game. We got Palace away next week, so that's going to be tough. But hopefully we can build on the last 2 seasons. But we won a trophy the last 2 seasons, so I can't complain too much.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of clubs cannot say that. They cannot say those words in that order.
Yeah,
so that's something to be proud of. I wasn't saying any names, but I think we were going for the title. We were going for the Premier League.
Yeah, no, I'm hoping,
no excuses.
Hoping you can get there this year. I'd like to see someone different name on it. And City's hearing starts today of 115 charges. If it's 1 or 2 charges, I might think, okay, they're a bit hard done by 115 charges. I hope they get the book thrown at them. Basically, they cheated, and for the 115 charges against you, I'm sure someone's going to stick, right?
Yeah, I would hope. I can only hope.
This was enough football talk, and back to the charts. So I'm trying to see gold is trying to break out through a supply level here. If it does get through this 26-14 level, I'm definitely going to be looking at a buy pretty soon. I think we will retest this level of 2616.
Yeah.
So that would be a nice trade if I can get it. So we just gonna have to wait. But I was gonna say, I was all set up yesterday. I had the camera up, green screen, fresh haircut. I was ready to go, and then I woke up this morning and I'm so tight. I just don't want to frighten people off with breakfast. Can't put the camera on. So
I'm glad that you didn't go on camera, because I was not ready.
I was thinking of you,
Thank you. I got up in time, but then I think because we did the new setup thing, my computer was trying to figure out what to do, so I took a couple extra minutes to get it all.
Yeah, I was going to say thanks for letting me steal your back office. I around the minutes on my StreamYard, so probably next month I'll upgrade as well. But
Yeah.
I have loaded you up with loads of videos, loads of clips, sound effects. So
Thank
you'll have fun when you're in the hot seat next.
Yes, thank you for kind of giving me an upgrade. I'm I'm excited to test out all the bells and whistles.
Yeah, so we're testing our supply level there. We've just taken our supply level out, expecting a buy to come in soon. Yeah, it's looking very bullish for me, but I'm not going to take it until the flag comes in, until I get that signal.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
on my trading, insights tell me take the buy, but I'm going to wait.
Yeah, it looks like it's creeping up. It's definitely wants to do something there, Andrew. That's what I'm sensing. So where would your target be? Up on.
So I'm on the futures, I'm trading M5, so I'm just going to take 300 points, take profit and stop loss of 30 pips.
Okay, that's good.
Whatever people call it. Yeah, I'm just. So my TP would be around the 2616. That's the high.
Okay.
But I really just want that buy flag to come in, to give me some sort of indication to enter the trade. I'm not going to enter yet. But instinct and experience is telling me that it's a good buy at the moment. But we're going to wait and follow the rules. I'm not going to make Friday's mistakes and see what happens.
Yeah. I wanted to also see in the future if we can maybe do a little prop firm intro, something or the other. Because I think a lot of people, a lot of people are curious about it, I think, and then they don't know which firms and that sort of thing.
At the moment, I strongly recommend Top Step. 50k challenge is only $49. Take profit is 3k to get funded. Your stop then is 2k. And I know people, real people like you and I who've been paid out from Top Step. No influencers, no shills, just normal, hard-working day traders, right? And they have been paid out from Top Step. So at the moment, I have confidence in Top Step that they're going to pay. Some of the other prop firms from futures, I won't say no names, but I did run up a profit of 18k. When it came to payout, they just closed my account. Haven't heard anything from them, no emails, closed my tickets, and I got done out of 18k last month. So I'm beyond disappointed. I'm not even angry. I can't believe it. I still see them advertising on social media as if nothing's happened. I see a lot of influencers and shills posting payouts from them, but it looks like their payouts have come from my profit. And I'm not the only one. There's a load of other day traders I know who passed challenges, passed funded accounts with this company. They just haven't been paid. So I'm really beyond disappointed.
Yeah, that's atrocious. That is pathetic.
18k. I had a wish list on my whiteboard in front of me. Yeah, the money was spent before I received it. So yeah, I'm just really disappointed.
Yeah. Well, I'm at the very least, you've identified them as a broker that a prop firm that you will not use anymore, and hopefully they don't do the same thing.
Investing blueprint, we can go a bit more detail with that. I'll get some screenshots. I'd be happy to name them as well.
Yeah.
And if they do watch your video and they want to contest what I say, well, pay me.
Yeah, that's it. That's easy.
So I've got the receipts and happy to share on one of our day shows.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah.
So
I'm sorry that you had to go through that. I'm sorry you had to go through that experience, Andrew.
Yeah, no, yes, it's beyond disappointing, and worked really hard to get that payout. It's beyond disappointing, and maybe a year ago I'd be right. The buy is in. Here we go. I'm gonna take that trade. Still not used to trading view, you know.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like you're taking care of the order here. I think maybe also in one of the other shows or at a future date, maybe we go through placing the order because I know that can also be intimidating for other people who have never actually placed an order before.
Yeah.
Because you look like you're doing it like almost like a trained surgeon.
Yeah, it wouldn't come to me for open heart, or maybe. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So we're in this trade right now. I'll share the top step screen, but I've marked up our profit and loss here in trading view. And
So that's 1 for 1.
1 for 1. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That's good. Yeah, that looks good.
I'm just going to share top step.
Yeah, I should.
Once it gets round to the 2616, probably gonna get that stop into break. There's that was the all-time high from the Asian session, so we could hit a little bit of resistance there, or a little bit of support there. But yeah, it's good. It's looking a good powerful trade.
I like that. I like that. Let's see how it moves. It seems like around this time, at least sometime between now and 8, we usually will see some movement.
Yeah, it's the time I like to trade. Got enough movement in the market to get to our 30 points normally, but there's not enough volatility just to, we're doing just stop either. So it's going to be getting good movement. I am cautious around this 2616 area. Mm-hmm. If we break through that, we could see gold fly to the take profit, but definitely seeing strong resistance at 2616.6. So we'll watch this trade.
Just to confirm, because you have the futures prices, the 2616 is the previous high of the Asian session?
That's right. Yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And also your target?
No, targets are 2618. I'm hoping we can
yes. Okay, got you.
If we get 2616.6, I'm gonna break through that and get a stop into break even.
I see. Yep. I'm with you.
So you can see my take profits here.
Yep, I see it. Yep, I see it right there. Yep, yeah. And then you just stop. I like the fishing analogy. I was thinking about it yesterday, and I thought, majority of people, or most people who just started out in the industry, are going to be more anxious and just jump in the water with a net and frighten all the fish away.
That's right. Yeah, you can jump in with your waders on, big net, trying to catch the price, and the price is just going to swim away from you, right? So you just got to sit there, dip your hook in the water, just wait patiently, quietly, just wait for the price to come to you. So we have a nice push up on that candle. Next candle's going to be interesting. See, we more or less tested the 2616. We reversed from there. Going to need a candle to actually push through it. Yeah, not much red news showing for today. The only thing I've got showing on my FX book is New York Empire State Manufacturing Index, and that's coming out in 7 hours.
Yes, that's is that red?
That's showing red on my FX book, yeah.
Okay, yeah, that one is usually based on a survey done on manufacturers in the state of New York. We actually need to do a trip to New York at some point. Just reminded me. We should do it.
Yeah, I was there in 2019, and it's just amazing. I'm just really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
yeah, just so much I can talk about with it. Just yeah, it's fantastic.
Yeah, we need to go back. We need to go back to New York. So just generally speaking about the Empire State Manufacturing, yeah, it you never know which one of these data points is going to actually move prices. You can only kind of look back and see which ones tend to have a consistent impact. So yeah, this one basically, the survey goes out to all manufacturers and basically looking at the conditions. Are they improving or are they worsening for manufacturing? How's their business doing? Some people look at it as a leading indicator on economic health, because businesses tend to react quickly. And I'll be watching it. I'll probably just have a little calendar reminder. That's it for today. I think the big one for this week, Andrew, is going to be Wednesday. So Wednesday is a big news day. I think there's some retail sales tomorrow. And then Wednesday afternoon, we have the big headline event, which is going to be, I believe it's 7 p.m. London, which makes it 3 p.m. Bermuda and 2 p.m. New York. That's when the Federal Reserve is going to likely reduce interest rates. So a lot of moves on Wednesday.
Just looking here, so we rejected, and you can see now we're getting a bit of bearish movement. I'm just hoping this is a pullback. But no, overall, trend is still bullish. So yeah, we'll stay in this trade. Just really needed to break through this 2616.6 level. So yeah, we're just have to wait this one out, I think.
Yeah. This is when the patience skill comes into play. Right. Let's see what else we got going on. I'm having a quick look at US 500 now. Sometimes it moves similar to gold. Sometimes it doesn't.
Yeah, if you want to share your screen, yeah, we can do that while we're watching this trade play out.
No. Okay, let's see if I can share my screen. Does this impact you? Let's see. Let me know if you can see that. I think, yeah, you know what? I think we're sharing controls somehow, even though I clicked the link. Anyway, we can talk about this. We can have a debrief after the show. But anyway, I think we can both run the back office at the same time, which I'm just learning is the case. Anyway, let's do a debrief before the next show, Andrew. Okay, so we have here, this is S&P 500, sort of pre-market, and we're getting a little bit of a test of the previous close. So previous close is coming in. Let's get that out the way. Previous close is right here, and we're bumping around on that at the moment. So no trades for me at this particular time. Usually what I would look for with the S&P is a breakout of the Asian session range. So this was the high of the Asian session right here, and this was the low of the Asian session. And I'm going from when markets open in Australia. So that's the low, that's the high. And then I'm looking for some sort of breakout out of here, or some sort of breakout out of here. Generally speaking, sometimes I can get in a little early. So if I start to see prices move lower, maybe I can get in and out before we reach here. So sometimes these act as a target if we're inside. Other times they'll act as an entry. That's what I'm looking at. Let me know if you want to go back over to Gould, Andrew. I can.
Yeah, no, we got it at the moment.
Okay, cool. So that's it's a very simple strategy, yeah.
Yeah, so again, it's patience and waiting for the price to come to you, right?
Yeah, exactly the same. So I use, I like the fishing analogy. I like to use a spider. So I've set my web, or I've set my trap, and then I just wait for the flies to come and then eat them. Exact same thing. It's setting a trap and then executing. But in between setting your trap and executing, there's the waiting patience, which most people don't have. Let's be honest.
Yeah, and I think if you can master some patience, you can. I think you can be halfway there to trading. A lot of people have the knowledge, have the skill set. It's just lacking that mental discipline.
Yeah, and that takes time, Andrew. Like, as you know, it takes a lot of time, and I am not saying that it's easy by any means to do. Sometimes I get impatient, and if I do get impatient, sometimes I'll jump on the simulator just to kind of give me something to do. And I don't mind jumping on the simulator if it means that I'm gonna wait for the setup to present itself. I much rather do that than risk losing or having an expense, as Pax would say. So that's it for me for today. Just looking at S&P 500 here, seeing if we can get lower or higher. And I'll probably get into a trade later on today.
Yeah, it'd be good if we can revisit that trade tomorrow morning.
Yeah. You want to go back? Yeah, there we go.
Yes, we're just back. So for me, we're still bullish on gold at the moment. This 2616 level is quite key. I'd like to see a break above that. So yeah, we're just in the trade. There's not much more I can really say on it. I just want to get some movement, and then we go back to that.
Yeah, this is the fun part. Just let it play, let it run. I think there's a sort of conception or like a thought out there, because of all these influencers and even like movies and TV shows, that you have to be doing something and it's exciting and it's it's adrenaline inducing and you're pressing all these buttons and you're doing all these things. But I think this is kind of the reality of it. This is what it takes.
And you hit the nail on the head. These influencers, and you see these series on Netflix and things make it all exciting. It's really not. It's probably boring for 2 hours of trading, but then potentially can give that freedom for the rest of the day. So,
well, excitement. I think excitement sells. So they're showing the exciting part, but like you said, you put in the homework, you put in the back work, and then once you're in, you make you hit your target, and you've made more than enough or enough for the day, and you can go on and do all the other things that you really want to do.
I always say if you want that excitement, go to the casino and at least get drinks, right?
Yeah. That's a good one. That's a good one. And the casino always wins as well.
Always, house always wins. It's always in their favour, right? It's a little bit like trade, it's you're in a negative straight away. As soon as you take a trade, you're paying a commission on your trade. So the house always wins, and especially if you lose your trade, you lose your balance, plus you lose your commission as well. So you can see I'm already, just to take this trade, it charged me $5 commission fee.
Yeah.
As you can see that here, so that's a commission for the trade. See, if I want to take profit now, it'd be like a $4 profit, not 10.
Yeah. Hey, they are running a business as well. I mean, I guess it's the cost of doing business. Got to pay to play.
Helps if I mute myself. But if we see this candle here, we got doji here, potentially could be a reversal. But not too concerned because we're on the M5. If I've seen that in H1 or H4, definitely pay more attention to it. But yeah, we could see a retest or a pullback. But really want to break this level here, or at least test it a bit more times.
I also find sometimes, like in this period, because you have the preparation and you have the patience waiting to get in, then you're actually in. So it's kind of like the trade, almost like a trade management while you're in the trade. I think being able to confidently have some sort of routine or have things that give you confidence not to change your mind or get skittish really helps as well. So I know, for example, some people will get up and they'll walk away. They'll make sure the stop loss is in place, they'll take profits in place, and then they'll go for a little walk, or they'll just move to a different room. Some people listen to music. They put on their favorite songs or favorite playlists and stuff. We were talking about what's your trading song, or what's your trading playlist look like. That's a great idea to have compare what songs people listen to. But I think a lot of it is just not getting in your own way.
We go for that retest now, which makes me happy. We're starting to take out that high from earlier. So yeah, we've definitely given that a test. Next candle is in just over a minute, so it's going to be interesting where it opens. But yeah, back to the playlist. Not so much of this time in the morning, if I'm honest.
I'm liking the music you have on now, Andrew. That's enough for me.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's a wake-up song, right? So it starts up the day, so yeah, it does the job.
Like I keep saying, like when I get up, I have to say, look, energy. You have to have energy. This is energy. Like I feel like I'm commentating now. It's almost like commentating the price. I don't know. Do you feel like that as well?
Yeah, talking of energy. So yeah, I'd just like to thank these guys, local startup, and nice double espresso from the Doorstep Coffee Company here in Van Darcy. And yeah, it's good. It's nice coffee, in fairness, not too bitter, like strong. So yeah, it was good.
That's fantastic. I wanna can I get a bag or get a sample?
Yeah, I'll have a chat with these guys and I'll post them up to you.
Right,
I think I'll be happy to expand up into London. But here we go. Here's the next candle, and yeah, we just tested this level here. I'd like to see a breakthrough. I'd like to see a nice strong big breakthrough here. So yeah, this candle will be quite important. So yeah, we can see where we tested the level here. Tried to break through, rejected. This candle's having to think about it. So I'd like to see a nice strong breakthrough here, and the next candle actually open above this level. If it doesn't, potentially I'm gonna get this stop to break even. But yeah, this level is going to be key. We might see it taken out in the London Open, but I think within the next hour, it's just going to be tested. We're just peppering it at the moment, so let's see where we go on this candle.
Oh boy, Andrew, on my chart, I guess, yeah, I'm seeing the same thing you're seeing. It's just what confused me is the futures. But yeah, it's pretty much exactly the same. Are we above that all-time high on the futures?
Yeah, we're above it at the moment.
Okay.
But we're trying to break above it. We're testing it for sure.
Yeah.
So I want the next candle to open above this blue line. If not, probably go to a profitable stop. And I'll probably be done for today then. But yeah, if we can get a break above this level here, we should be looking good for it to take profit this morning. But we can just see it's just sitting on that line, it's just testing that level. But for me, momentum on gold is still up at the moment.
Yeah, I would agree. The trend is your friend, as you rightly said.
Yeah, so on Friday I was trying to guess the top of gold, and that's what took me up to the account. Top did finally come in. We got a lovely drop, but it's too late by then. But yeah, we're breaking through this nicely now. Just need a good push above this blue line, and I just want the candle to open above it. What we got? 2 minutes to go.
What are your thoughts on sort of over trading? Well, yeah, over trading. So placing more trades than you normally do.
I think it's so easy to do, especially when you're trading outside your rules. And I think if you're sitting at your charts all day, I think your mind plays tricks. You see signals that they're not really there, and you just think it's a good opportunity. And over trading is gambling, right? You're not following your rules, you're not sticking to your trade plan, and so that what I do with Top Step is, if I get into my take profit, if you see this button here, you can actually lock yourself out of the account for the day. So once I hit it, as you can see here, manual lockout. So once I hit my take profit, just lock myself out of the account for the day until the next morning. So it's a really good feature of Top Step. So no complaints with Top Step at the moment. I like the platform. Yeah, they seem really good.
I also like the price. So you're using a very small amount of capital to be able to trade with a large sum. I think that's brilliant as well. Very reasonable.
Yeah. So the reason for a 300 profit is it's profit target's 3,000. So 300 on average, say over 10 days. So you can pass this challenge in about 2 to 3 weeks.
Yeah.
So, right, candles open below, so we're rejecting this level here.
That's an interesting candle on the previous 5 minutes.
Yeah, so we got another doji here, right?
Yes. It wasn't a doji for 99% of that 5 minute period there.
It was bullish.
It was a doji. Yeah. But we did get a nice up candle after the last doji. The previous doji on the
we need the price to break and open above this blue line. I'll be more confident in a take profit. At the moment, looks like we're getting a retest or a rejection again of this Asian high. So yeah, I'm just going to watch it here. Potentially I could close the trade. Not too confident it's going to break above here. And yeah, here we go. So just put in a vertical support level, which we're testing, which we're actually breaking through. Yeah, it could be closing straight out early.
Still in profit at the moment.
Yeah, we could just be seeing a retest or a pullback before we do push onto that higher price.
I really did think that we were going to close above it. Close that 5-minute candle, previous 5-minute candle above it. Let's see.
But I wouldn't be surprised if we see a retest as far as 2614. Or we continue that upward momentum. But yeah, we're going to watch this one closely.
Would you remind us where the entry was?
So the entry was at 2615.3. So the entry's here.
I see. Yep. Let's see here. Do you ever change the time frames to have a look at the I guess what's inside the 5-minute candle?
I don't go down M5 as far as I go, but I do check the direction on the H1.
Yes. That's on the
yeah. And at the moment on M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, I'm still showing bullish trend.
Okay, good. Okay.
So what I do after this trade is I lock myself out of the challenge account and actually go over to my demo. And I'll be looking, just actually looking for to take a trade on the VWAP if I can today. But yeah, potentially, if a seller come in, I can't see that happening. We're well above the price at the moment.
I like how you've sort of trapped the price. I think that's what you refer to it as, trapping the price. It kind of gives you an idea of where we're going to break out to next.
Yeah, potentially, next candle should be opening here. Should get an upward move if we break this support here, this vertical support. So really, I should be put my stop loss around here.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, and we got just under 20 seconds until the next candle. So yeah, we should be seeing it open around here. I'm hoping for that upward move. Here we go. So next candle. Yeah, so just put my stop in $20, profitable stop. That should cover the commission. And yeah, a little bit unsure on this trade. We seem to be trapped here between 2616 and on this support level here, this vertical support we've put in. If it pushes through that, these candles are bearish. So yeah, gonna let this trade play out. We've gone bullish here. We can see we respected that support level. So again, the next candle hopefully is going to be the push up. Just under 2 minutes to go. Yeah, just thinking about it. Let's test that level again. Like a nice confident break above that level. Yes, testing that level again. Got just under a minute. Be quite interested now to see the next candle opens up. I don't know if you need to shoot off, mate.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Can you still hear me?
Yeah, I can. Yeah, no, yeah.
Yeah,
Thanks for joining.
Yeah.
And I'll
Thanks,
see
man.
you in the morning.
My man.
Yeah, thanks, Mandela. I'll catch up with you
Thanks,
tomorrow.
Andrew. Yeah, man. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Take care.
A few moments later.
Order filled.
So guys, we just took a profitable stop. That's it for my trading today. Gonna lock the account, and I'll see you back tomorrow at the same time.